Katherine Johnson, math superhero. Katherine Johnson was a math genius who blasted off into the cosmos and reshaped space exploration. Born in August 1918 in a small town called White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia, Katherine seemed like your ordinary baby, but she was destined to become a math superhero. With a mind as sharp as a laser and a love for numbers, Katherine would grow up to use her math powers to launch astronauts into space and become one of the greatest mathematicians the world has ever known. When Katherine was your age, she had already begun unlocking her superpowers. She was so smart that she started high school at age 10. She zoomed through her classes and was ready for college at just 15 years old. With her incredible determination and perseverance, she graduated college at 18 with degrees in math and French. Katherine continued using her powers for good by becoming one of the first 3 Black students to attend West Virginia University. She showed everyone that anyone can be a hero by being brave and doing what's right. In 1953, Katherine became a real-life superhero when she joined NASA, back then called NASA, as a human computer. She didn't have super speed, but she did use her super math powers to solve some of the hardest problems in the entire world. Her job was to calculate the exact numbers needed to launch rockets into space and bring astronauts safely back, using nothing but pencil, paper, and her super smart brain. Katherine became one of NASA's secret weapons, helping make space travel possible. Throughout her career, Katherine achieved many incredible things. She calculated the flight paths for famous missions, including Alan Shepard's first American trip into space, John Glenn's orbit around Earth, and even the Apollo 11 mission that landed astronauts on the moon. Katherine's story is a reminder that curiosity, hard work, and dedication can launch you into the stars to achieve your dreams.